Hello everyone and welcome back to ChriSTEAM. Today we're going to be making a very cute little card that looks somewhat like this. This is a little template that I've made for it. So basically you just have a little bear right in there and he's coming out of the gift box, and then you can add whatever decorations you want, like confetti falling from the top, or you can add some balloons coming out of there. I'll show you some different ideas later, but this is what we're basically making. So to do this you will need a ruler. I suggest using one that has centimeters on it because that's what I will be measuring in today, but inches will work just fine if that's what you have. You'll need a pencil to sketch the design out, 3 different colors, 1 for the color of your animal, and then 2 for the color of the present, and then whatever colors you want for your confetti or balloons or whatever you may add. And you're also going to need a marker like this, or a Sharpie works just fine. I just prefer using this to outline the shapes. With these 3 you can use either colored pencils or crayons will work just fine, whichever one you would like to use. Gather all your materials and we'll get right into the video. Step number 1 is to decide how big you want your card to be. You can fold it in half once and make sure that you line up the corners there and there. And then you can also fold it in half another time, so you can have your card be this big, or horizontally like that, or you can fold it in half one more time, like if you have a smaller gift to give someone. Again, make sure that you line up the corners. I'm going to be doing one this size today just because the gift that I'm giving is a bit smaller, but you can choose the bigger size and it'll work just the same. You'll actually have more space to work with. For step 2, you're going to need the ruler and the pencil and the card that we just made. So, take your ruler with the centimeter side and measure out 3 centimeters. You want to do this just a little bit from the top, or from the bottom of the page, probably about a half of a centimeter. And you're going to do a line that's 3 centimeters long, and then you're going to make a little box. And don't worry if it's not perfect. And now you want to take it from the corner and put it at an angle. You want to make it like a medium-sized angle and measure 3 centimeters to make the lid of the box. It's kind of popping out. Now measure a half a centimeter away from that line on both sides and connect them with another 3 centimeter line. So now you have your little box right there, and the lid is popping out. Now we just need to draw our bear or whatever creature you would like to be coming out of your box for your friend's birthday. So to do this, put a little line right there, and then you kind of want to guess where it would fall. That, and then add a little ear. Then you can add your little paws of it, there and there. 2 little eyeballs. His little snout. And there you have your cute little bear. Now you can go even further to decorate the box by making a little ribbon. That, and then put it right in the middle on the top as well. Now you're all done with your ruler. Now you want to add your little bow to it, so put a little circle right there. So put a little circle right there, and then there. Just like so. the little word surprise. And there is your cute little card. For step 3, you're going to want your card and the 3 colors that you've chosen. And this step is simply coloring in what we just did. And just by pushing harder with your crayon or colored pencil, you can create different colors on the bear just like that. For step 4, you'll need the card that we just colored and your black Sharpie or pen. And you're just going to outline everything. This just adds a nice little pop to your card. And right here, you want to make sure that you don't cross over the whole thing. Because remember that the ribbons are layered. And that one goes behind this one. And now what you can do is take some more colors, some other fun colors like these, and just add some confetti and stuff. So here you have a very cute little card, just like that, and then just write whatever you want to on the inside, and you can give it to your friends.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, please give it a thumbs down. The feedback really helps me create content that you all will like. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of future videos, and have a wonderful day, everyone.